Hello, have a good day. Uh, Today we are discussing the topic uh, Internet of Things. In that, the features of IoT. So the most important feature of IoT on which it works are uh, connectivity, analyzing, integrating, active engagement, and the many more. So first, connectivity. So connectivity refers to establish a proper connection between all the things of IoT to IoT platform. It may be server, it may be server or cloud. So after connecting the IoT devices, it needs to high-speed messaging between the devices and cloud to enable the reliable, secure and bidirectional communication. The next one is analyzing. After connecting all the relevant things, it comes to real analyzing the data collected and use them to build effective business intelligence. If we are a good insight into the data gathered from all these things, then we call our system as a smart system. Then next one is the integrating. So integrating, IoT integration, or you can say the integrating, means the various models to improve the user experience as well. Okay, and the next one is artificial intelligence. IoT makes the things smart and enhance the life through the use of data. For example, if we have a coffee machine whose beans are going to end, then the coffee machine itself order the coffee beans to your choice from the retailer. So this is the example. Another, sensing. The sensor, the device used IoT technology that detect and measures any change in the environment and report on their status. So IoT technology brings passive network to active network. Without sensor, there could not hold an effective or true IoT environment. So sensing is important feature of the IoT. Then next one is active engagement. Now IoT makes the connection technology, engagement, connection or connected technology, product or services to active engagement between each other. Otherwise, there will be lack of the collaboration. Next one, that is endpoint management. Endpoint management. It is very important. It is very important to be the endpoint management of all the IoT systems. Otherwise, what happens? It makes the complete failure of the system. For example, if a coffee machine, which itself ordering or itself order the coffee beans when it goes to the end, but what happens? When it orders the beans from a retailer and we are not present at home for a few days, what happens? It leads to the failure of IoT system. So there must be a need for endpoint management. So these are some features. There are a lot of features of the management of the IoT, but these important features we have discussed at here. Thank you for today. Thank you.